Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where everything is on the new CapCut PC update. So if I select this video, as you can see, there's like new buttons here that I'll walk you through. So the first one, you can see that it's been moved, like all the buttons, the freeze, reverse, mirror, rotate is all in this one like button here. So if you want to freeze frame a video, you can just select that one. There's this one, it's transcript. I'm not sure what it does. I can't really do it because of my network apparently. There's also split scenes. I think it's free for the first few tries. There's also remove background here. There's auto adjust here as well. There's enhanced visuals as well, and extract audio and enhance audio. So as you can see, a lot of the buttons are moved here, maybe for an easier access rather than you have to like click here, go back and forth and stuff. Well, that's where all of the new buttons are on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.